Hello everyone, welcome to St. Joseph Composite PU College, Vijaypura. Myself Aarti Durmani from the Department of Mathematics. Let us move to the introduction part. In algebra or in other discipline of mathematics, there are certain results or statements that are formulated in terms of a n. The n is nothing but a positive integer. To prove such a statement's well-suited principle that is used based on a specific technique that is known as a principle of a mathematical induction. Let us move to the concepts which we are going to learn in this principle of mathematical induction. The first concept is nothing but a deduction and induction. Second is principle of mathematical induction. Third is problems on a induction. Let us move to the deduction part. The meaning of deduction is nothing but from the generalization to the specific instances is nothing but a deduction. Example for that is Rohit is a man and all men eat food. Rohit eats food. Rohit is a man and all men eat food. They are nothing but a generalization. Specific instance is nothing but Rohit eats food as a specific. Next example, Mukesh is an engineer and all engineers earn good money. It is nothing but a generalization. Mukesh earn good money is nothing but specific instances. Third example, sun is a star and all stars have their own light. Generalization. Sun has its own light. It is nothing but a specific instances. Let us move to the concept that is induction. Induction is nothing but from a specific instances to moving towards a generalization is nothing but an induction. Example, Rohit eats food, specific instances, Vikas eats food. Okay, Rohit and Vikas are men. All men eat food is nothing but a generalization. Your statement is true for n is equal to 1, n is equal to k and n is equal to k plus 1. Statement is true for all here. Let us represent this deduction and induction in the form of a diagram. That is general principles, deductive, logic, inductive, specific instances. Specific instances is nothing but a n is equal to 1, n is equal to k, n is equal to k plus 1. General principles are nothing but all. So from the general principle to the specific instances is nothing but deductive. From the specific instances towards the general principle is nothing but inductive. Let us move to the concept that is principle of mathematical induction. For a statement P of n involving the natural number n, if P of n is true, n is nothing but a natural number here, P of n is true, truth of P of k implies the truth of P of k plus 1. P of k, it is depending on a P of k plus 1. If P of k plus 1 is true, then P of k is nothing but a true for the given natural numbers. Then P of n is true for all natural numbers. Let us take the examples. Prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus so on and so forth plus n, it is equal to n bracket n plus 1 divided by 2. Solution. Let P of n be the equation. The given equation you have to take it as a P of n. Here P of n is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus so on and so forth plus n is equal to n bracket n plus 1 divided by 2. Basis step. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. That is left hand side. P of 1, it is nothing but the sum of all successive integers starting at a 1 and ending at a 1. So LHS is equal to 1. RHS is equal to, it was a n bracket n plus 1 divided by 2. N is nothing but 1 we have taken. So 1 bracket 1 plus 1 divided by 2. It is nothing but 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 it is 1. So LHS is equal to RHS here. So the proposition is true for n is equal to 1. P of n is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus so on so forth plus n is equal to n bracket n plus 1 divided by 2. So let us move for the inductive steps. Suppose P of k is true for some integers k is greater than or equal to 1. So P of k, in place of n you have to take k. It will become as a p 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus so on so forth plus k. Place of n k. So here also same thing. In place of n you have to substitute as a k. K bracket k plus 1 by 2. Let this equation be 1. We will use this proposition to show that P of k plus 1 is true. If we take a n is equal to k plus 1, our proposition becomes P of k plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus so on so forth up till k plus 1. In place of k we have to take it as a k plus 1. So here also in place of k, k plus 1, here k plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So whole divided by 2. That is nothing but equation 1, equation 2. So consider the LHS of equation 2. When we consider the equation, so it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus so on so forth plus k plus 1. Usually this k it is nothing but from the starting 1 up till before this k plus 1 we will be getting k. So from the RHS of equation 1, this thing it will be, it is nothing but it is equal to k bracket k plus 1 divided by 2 plus k plus 1 as it is using RHS of 1. So here k plus 1 is common in both the equations. Here k plus 1 take it outside, k by 2 plus 1. So k plus 1, take out the LCM here, 2 is the LCM. So k plus 2 divided by 2. So we can write in that form k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 2. Here LHS is equal to RHS. So our RHS of our proposition 2 is nothing but true. Let us take another example, that is prove that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on so forth plus 2n minus 1 is equal to n square for all integers n is greater than or equal to 1. Let us take the solution. So let P of same way, let P of n be the equation. So this thing, whole thing it is considered as a P of n. P of n is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on so forth plus 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. So let us move to the basis step, that is P of 1 is true. So for n is equal to 1, LHS of P of 1 is nothing but is equal to 1 and RHS is nothing but 1 square. So if you write here, when you will take a LHS, that is 2n minus 1. In place of n, if you take 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So P of 1 is nothing but 1. So n square RHS it is. So RHS is equal to n square, 1 square is equal to 1. Hence the equation is true for n is equal to 1. So let us move to the inductive step. Suppose P of a k is true for some integer k is equal to, k is greater than or equal to 1. That is P of k is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on so forth plus 2k minus 1 is equal to k square. Let this equation be 1. Now P of k plus 1 is true. We have to prove this. To prove this one, let us take the equation. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on so forth plus 2 bracket k plus 1. Usually in the earlier equation we were having a 2k minus 1. In place of k we have to substitute as a k plus 1. 2 bracket k plus 1 minus 1 is equal to k plus 1 whole square. Let this equation be 2. Consider LHS of equation 2. So LHS is nothing but 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on so forth plus 2 bracket k plus 1 minus 1. This is nothing but a LHS. So before this 2 bracket k plus 1 minus 1, we will be having a 2k minus 1. So here we can take the LHS as a 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on so forth plus 2k minus 1 plus this one when you substitute it 2k plus 2 ones are 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So 2k plus 1. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on so forth plus 2k minus 1 is nothing but is equal to k square. It is nothing but from the RHS of a 1, equation 1. So k square plus this 2k plus 1 as it is. So when you remove the bracket here, k plus 1 whole square is nothing but k square plus 2k plus 1. So RHS of the equation 2. Thus P of k is also true. Hence, by a mathematical induction, the given equation is true for all integers n is greater than or equal to 1. Here, end of the section. Thank you.